man that has so much busy schedule, but you made that time to come here. Why do you consider it important to be physically present to celebrate Ulasi today?
Well, first is that it's somebody worthy of celebration, and at 80, having lived a life, I met him in the political scene, and having lived a life in that scene, I respect my elders in it, and he's one of those elders that I respect because of his involvement over the years and knowledge, deep knowledge of politics of Nigeria. And my prayers is that God Almighty, who has been with him all this while, grant him more healthy, fruitful and happy years. Now, I continue to give him the grace to contribute in our political scene.
My brother, welcome. We were expecting you since morning. We're expecting you since morning. So you can see that people are here from all sides. People who hold the Ulasi to the heart. Yes, welcome. You know, Peter doesn't sit down. He wants to walk around this room and greet everybody. So if I wait for him to sit down, it means that I will not continue with my goodwill message. So I welcome Mr. Peter Obi into the room. Okute, we welcome you into the room. And I know what you want. You want to go around and greet people. So go and greet people while I round up. Yes. He's among the elders. He was my teacher in the university. He taught me. Yes. What do we do? Are you interested in this corner only? And the man who was president today, Manachineke Wakosu Eme Home, help me welcoming Mr. Peter Gregory Obi, CON. The only man who graciously dashed me a red cap. And going forward, if you want to address me now, you have to address me.